Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on advancing technologies for better living in abroad and India, and scholarships and fellowships from different universities, organizations and nations, and job vacancies in India and abroad. In the present video I would like to talk about fellowships in the University of Geneva, Switzerland. The Faculty of Science of the University of Geneva is an internationally recognized leading research institution. This cutting-edge research covers a broad range of scientific disciplines: astronomy, biology, chemistry, biochemistry, computer science, mathematics, physics, pharmaceutical sciences, earth sciences, and the environment. The faculty hosts 3 national centers of competence in research of the highly competitive Swiss National Sciences Foundation, Chemical Biology, Swiss MAP, Planets, as well as many European research projects. The Masters of the Faculty of Science constitute an ideal training base for an academic but also a professional development. Opening on careers in industry, teaching, administration in sciences, communication and media, the program's master's degrees are either entirely in English or in English and French. See the descriptions of each program. The Faculty of Science, with the support of external partners, has established an excellence fellowship program open to outstanding and highly motivated students who wish to pursue a Master of Science degree in one of the disciplines covered by the faculty. Candidate selection is based on excellence. The Excellence Fellowship consists of a grant amounting to 10,000 to 15,000 per year. No teaching duties. It is awarded for 1 year and extended for the regular duration of the chosen master's program, 3 or 4 semesters, provided the applicant is academically successful at the end of his or her first semester of studies, regardless of your home university, whether you have passed or are doing brilliant bachelor degree and that you are one of the best in your year 2, this program is for you. You must meet the admission criteria of the master of your choice and be selected on the basis of the application file for an excellence fellowship. For the application to be considered, each student has to fulfill the enrollment procedure as described on the admission office website. The application in English or French must include the following documents in the form of a single PDF file: a scan of your national identity card or passport, a curriculum vitae, 2 pages maximum, the transcript of exams passed during the bachelor education with all grades, a motivation letter in which you describe your specific scientific interests and your motivation to pursue a Master of Science program at the University of Geneva. If possible, letters of references from 2 professors, preferably sent by them directly to the Excellence Master Sciences at unige.ch, attesting your aptitude to this program. Any other pertinent information like results of GRE, of TOEFL or other language test. The application is made online. After registering, you will receive an email containing a personal link allowing you to fill out the application form. Next application deadline is March 15th, 2021 for masters starting from September 20, 2021. If all the above mentioned clauses are not completed, the application file would not be considered. Additional information is available at www.unige.ch/sciences/masters/ complete list of master programs under www.unige.ch/sciences/masters. Students who have already started a master program at the Faculty of Sciences can no longer apply for the Excellence Master Fellowship. Additional information can be obtained from the masters, coordinators or the academic advisor. You can visit the website. I hope this video can give you more information. So if it is so, you can like, subscribe my channel, and you can share this video among your friends. You can press the bell icon for the latest updates. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. Thank you for watching my video.